Subscribe to Avas today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.
जहां एक और एनएमएमसी एक से एक कोविड की फैसिलिटीज शहर में तैयार कर रही है, वहीं दूसरी ओर कोविड पेशेंट्स या उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स जिन्हें यहां रखा जा रहा है, उनकी तरफ से मिक्स्ड रिस्पांस आ रहा है। जहां कुछ लोगों ने कहा कि वो संतुष्ट हैं, वहीं कंप्लेंट्स की भी कमी नहीं है। फैसिलिटीज की साफ सफाई, खाने की क्वालिटी, केयर एक्सेट्रा को लेकर पेशेंट्स की शिकायत मिल रही हैं। आवाज टुडे को 2 ऐसे पेशेंट्स की कंप्लेंट्स आई हैं। एक महिला जिन्हें ईटीसी सेंटर वाशी के कोविड फैसिलिटी में रखा गया और एक मेल पेशेंट जिन्हें इंडिया बुल्स पनवेल सेंटर पर रखा गया। दोनों का कहना है कि उन्हें काफ़ी परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ा और आखिर उन्हें होटल में शिफ्ट होना पड़ा। हम पेशेंट्स के नाम उनकी रिक्वेस्ट पर रिवील नहीं कर रहे हैं क्योंकि वो अभी भी क्वारंटाइन में हैं। आइए पहले सुनिए महिला ने क्या आरोप लगाए हैं।
Hello. My family got tested positive for COVID-19 on Saturday, and as NMMC isn't allowing home quarantine anymore, we were sent to different centers to be quarantined for 10 days. I was brought to ETC Washi, and the moment I entered my room there, I was disgusted on seeing a very, very dirty room, and my surrounding around made me really uncomfortable with ladies and kids shouting and running around, and the entire floor was very dirty and unhygienic. When I entered the washroom, I almost puked seeing the unflushed toilets and water on the floor. I complained that moment itself, and the housekeeping staff said they will clean the washroom. It wasn't done, and the patients there kept dirtying the bathrooms and the wash basins too. I got Mr. Amish Patnagiri's number, and WhatsApped him saying I want a movement right away, as this is the condition and the bathroom there would affect me with some dreadful infection if I stay there for 10 days. He connected me to Mr. Gite Molly, who is the nodal officer, and the staff there sent him some random clean pictures of the washroom, I guess, which was clicked in the initial few days of the center being opened, and accused me of trying to blame them, and even said I should adjust there because it's the patient's fault of not flushing the toilets and not keeping it clean. After being served cold food which I could not eat, the staff also told me that I should adjust to the cold food there because it's being delivered from a far off location, and I shouldn't have a problem if the food is cold, and that wouldn't affect me. The dinner was so cold that after eating it, my throat started burning, and I had to go down myself to get medicine, as I felt really, really sick of not being able to go to the washroom and after eating the cold food. I immediately called Mr. Molly and said, and they assured me, Mr. Molly and Dr. Vandana there, the medical officer, that I would be put in a better place the next morning. And being a patient, I obviously wanted to get some rest, so I decided, okay, it's just about that night, I'll be moved to a better place in the next morning, so I definitely should try and get some sleep. Around 2 a.m. that night, a big locust attacked me there, and even after calling the doctors and housekeeping, nobody came to my room to check, and I had to spend a sleepless night there as there were insects and mosquitoes around. Finally, the next morning, which is on Sunday, I moved to Mango Hotel Mahape after rigorous calls and continuous calls to the team, and finally the medical officer Vandana, she confirmed to me that I'm going to move to Mango Hotel Mahape and that the ambulance is getting ready for me. I request the team to ensure the centers and the staff is taken action on, as the condition the patients are put in there would make them sick. And yes, if not COVID, then the hygiene would definitely kill them all. Thank you.
वहीं पनवेल के इंडिया बुल सेंटर में एनएमएमसी कोविड फैसिलिटी को लेकर भी कंप्लेन इन मेल पेशेंट ने की है।
Hello, I am narrating to you the incidents that happened to me at the India Bulls Panvel COVID facility from last Saturday onwards. I was brought in a rush to the India Bulls Panvel COVID facility on Saturday evening, One of the staff at the gate gave me phone numbers of the doctor, cleaning and maintenance, and food staff to be contacted as required. The facility houses nearly 400 to 500 patients and has more than 10 floors. I was given a room on the 9th floor. The washroom was in a pathetic condition when I entered and looked as if it was not clean since the last person had used it. There was not a single slot for a light bulb inside the washroom. The flush tank was not in a working condition. On calling the cleaning and maintenance number, the person mentioned that housekeeping comes every day around noon for cleaning the room, and I can ask them to clean the washroom. I was given only one blanket, a bunch of soaps, a toothpaste, a toothbrush, and a matchbox. There were no pillows nor any other blankets that were provided to me. The person said there are no mosquito repellents or agarbattis available and I will have to manage it. Food served was cold. Doctors in PPE kits visited twice a day and checked my temperature and SpO2 levels. The checking was in a rush and they said that for any medicines or consultation, I will have to go to the ground floor and meet the OPD doctor as they won't visit us. Next day onwards, I tried following up with my medical officer requesting her to shift me to another facility. However, the officer kept saying that no beds are available there. The housekeeping staff visited post-lunch and took less than a couple of minutes to mop the floor. He said he won't clean the washroom and if at all required would do it maybe once in 3 to 4 days. I called the cleaning and maintenance people and said this to them, to which they responded that I'll have to manage in case the cleaning staff does not do it. I had to clean the washroom myself to survive there and even fell sick after doing it. I could barely sleep at night as there were mosquitoes in the room. There was no cooperation from the staff. They were rude and said I was making fuss about a minor issue and even said I will either have to stay there or go to a private facility, but they won't shift me elsewhere. On Monday night, I found an insect inside the rice I was given to it. I was shocked. It was a very bad experience at the facility. After consistent follow-ups with numerous nodal officers by my wife and mother, and with the help from Corporator Divya Gaikwad ma'am, I was finally moved to Mango Suits CCC on Tuesday.
फॉर्मर कॉर्पोरेटर दिव्या गायकवाड़ ने इस मामले में अपनी राय रखते हुए एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन से फौरन कदम उठाने की मांग की है।
इंडिया बुल का जो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर है वहाँ से बहुत सारे लोगों के कंप्लेंट्स मेरे पास आई है कि वहाँ पे जो सुविधाएं दी जाती है वो बराबर नहीं है। जैसे कि 3-3 दिन टॉयलेट साफ़ नहीं होता, कई लोगों को खुद टॉयलेट साफ़ करना पड़ता है, ठंडा खाना सर्व किया जाता है, कई लोगों को खाने में इंसेक्ट्स मिले हैं और बेडशीट्स भी चेंज की नहीं जाती हैं और डॉक्टर्स को देखने के लिए भी पेशेंट्स को 9th फ्लोर से नीचे आना पड़ता है। तो ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और जिन जिन लोगों ने बताए हैं उनके जो प्रॉब्लम्स, कई दफ़ा मैंने वहाँ पे जो इंचार्ज हैं उनको फ़ोन करके उनके प्रॉब्लम्स सॉल्व करने की कोशिश की है। इस सिलसिले में मैंने अपने कमिश्नर सर बांगर सर हैं उनसे भी बात की है और उन्होंने भी बताया कि उनकी जो टीम है उनके पास भी शायद कंप्लेंट्स गए हैं और उनकी जो टीम है उन्होंने उनको वहाँ पे भेज के क्रॉस चेक भी किया है और उन्होंने एश्योरेंस दिया है कि ये ऐसे वापस दोबारा रिपीट नहीं होगा। मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि जो इंचार्ज है वहाँ पे उनका ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बनती है कि देखा जाए कि जो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में लोग हैं उनको सुविधाएं मिलनी चाहिए, लोग हमारे सफ़र नहीं होने चाहिए, ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी है। ये कंप्लेंट्स हमारे तक नहीं आने चाहिए। जो लोग बताते हैं उनके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व होते हैं। दूसरी बात ये है कि वो जो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर है इंडिया बुल का वो बहुत दूर लगता है, वहाँ पे लाइवलीनेस नहीं है, फिर ये सब सारी लोग परेशान होते हैं, सब प्रॉब्लम्स हैं और वहाँ पे रेंज भी नहीं है। तो इस सिलसिले में भी मैंने कमिश्नर सर से बात की कि सर ऐसा है तो हमें वो आइसोलेटेड एरिया वहाँ पे है और लोग अलूफ फील करते हैं, तो वो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर हम क्यों नहीं दूसरी जगह किधर शिफ्ट करें जहाँ पे नज़रों के सामने हो, नवी मुंबई में वो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर हो और ये सब तकलीफ़ें जो लोगों को मिलती है मतलब होती है वो लोगों को फेस नहीं हो। तो इस सिलसिले में मैंने उनको लेटर भी दिया है और उम्मीद करते हैं कि मेरे ख्याल से कमिश्नर सर डेफिनेटली इसमें ही विल लुक इनटू दिस मैटर एंड वो करेंगे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि वो एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और करने वाले हैं। सिर्फ वो जो कोऑर्डिनेशन है और उनके नीचे जो काम करने वाले हैं, उन्होंने अपनी जिम्मेदारी क्या है अपने लोगों के लिए, नई मुंबई के लिए, ये उन्होंने भूलना नहीं चाहिए और ये पैंडेमिक में उन्होंने काम करना चाहिए।
आवाज टुडे ने म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर अभिजीत बांगर से जब इन कंप्लेंट्स के बारे में पूछा तो उनका जवाब आया। Received complaints about India Bulls, verified through independent sources as well. Necessary action being taken in terms of housekeeping, food and medical checkup will be completed by today evening, will confirm about ETC center. होपफुली जैसे कि कमिश्नर ने भरोसा दिलाया है, इस मामले में फौरन कदम उठाए जाएंगे ताकि पेशेंट्स जो पहले से ही कोविड से परेशान हैं उन्हें और तकलीफों का सामना ना करना पड़े। आवाज टुडे के लिए शाहनवाज जली, नवी मुंबई।
Subscribe to Awaaz today. Click on the bell icon for latest national and international buzzing news.